In 2008, following the housing market crash, the market lost more than 30% of its value. Jump forward to 2020 and things are sounding a bit familiar. Or are they? If you're sitting there kicking yourself in the rear because you missed Zoom's 155% rise or Royal Caribbean's 290% rise in their stock price, you need to go and brush your shoulders off. Ayo, I'm Sean McMurray and this is my channel Analytical Overdrive, where we talk stocks, real estate investing, and cryptos. And today, I hope to answer your question of, is it too late to buy into the market? The problem is, US stocks have just surged and 2020 losses have been erased quicker than Laurel Weaver's memory by Agent J. This has some of us wondering, have we missed out? Good old FOMO. Fortunately for you, I've done the research and well,
may the odds be ever in your favor.
Here's why I think, well, keep watching. You totally missed out. The stock market is doing amazingly well. I mean, in a matter of a few weeks, we completely eliminated all the losses experienced in 2020. All the losses that followed the longest bull run in history. Like, I wasn't going to say anything, but I'm making so much money, I can't shovel any more into my pocket. I'm literally swimming in my money. I mean, that's it, y'all. I did it. I bought the dip, I sold the high, and cashed out. I'm done. Fuck your couch, I'm rich, bitch. It's crazy. I'm about to quit my job. I never thought this day would come. I'm sorry, y'all. I wish you would have bought in with me. We'd be celebrating right now. Like, as I think about it, it's not even worth investing anymore. If you didn't buy the low, stock prices are so high at this point, like, it's not even worth it. Like, at this point, your best bet is to just hold on to your money and wait for the next disaster that causes a recession. Really, that's your best bet. Yeah, and that's total horse manure, but it's what a lot of you self-deprecating people want to hear. I've never seen people want to be so right about something to the point that all logic and facts are just completely ignored. Oh wait, that's been society for the past 8 to 10 years. Another topic. If you didn't get it, let me be clear. I was totally being sarcastic. So if someone takes my video and chops it up and tries to make some other narrative, I repeat, I was being sarcastic. You must overcome the belief that because you missed out on some upside that it's just not worth investing right now. The same holds true for the opposite statement. Trying to time the market is a dangerous game and many advise against it. I've been investing now for 3 or 4 years and early on fell into that mental trap, and in fact it's something that I still struggle with. For example, when I first started investing, I was closely tracking the S&P 500, Google, and Amazon. Essentially the buzzwords of my early days of trading. At that time, I remember all the talk about how these stocks were too expensive and that we somehow missed our opportunity. But what opportunity did we miss out on? Did we miss the lowest price it will ever be? Yeah, sure. If our overly simplistic goal is to make money in the stock market, did we really miss that opportunity? The S&P 500 was trading at $2,276 in 2017 and is now at $3,207.18. Google was trading at $825 in 2017 and is now at $1,452.08. Amazon was trading at $795.99 in 2017 and is now trading at $2,600.86. I mean, seriously, how can you argue about a 227% return on investment in just 3.5 years? It's one thing for these stocks to be outside of your price range and maybe not on your strategy. That's fine. It's another thing not to invest into the stock market because you somehow feel that you missed an opportunity. That the stock market is this finite thing and the price today, that's it. That's as high as they'll ever get. In reality, today's record highs are going to be tomorrow's record lows. Looking at stock price is great, but it's only part of the story. You have to look at the fundamentals of the company you are investing in. Do they have what it takes to go the distance? It's a long game. You can't treat it like a one-night stand. It's not too late. Quite frankly, we are still in the middle of a pandemic for which the full extent has not been fully realized in the market. There's a lot of factors in play here. Today could be one thing and tomorrow the exact opposite. Regardless of that fact, if you're only focusing on today's stock price, your thinking is a bit short-sighted. Focus on the fundamentals of that company and make a determination on whether that company has the ability to go the distance. If yes, today's stock price only matters when you're cashing out years down the road. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. What do y'all think? How were my acting skills? Oscar material? Did I trick y'all? Comment below, let me know how I did. Also, what pop culture references did I make in this video? Whoever can guess them correctly in the correct order will be a special mention in my next video. While you're at it, please hit the like button, share the video, and please subscribe. I need y'all's support. I'm Sean McMurray, and this is my channel, Analytical Overdrive. Ayo!